Takeout beef and broccoli cost $18 and arrives lukewarm in a set little box. This version costs half that and takes the same amount of time as waiting for the delivery guy. Hit subscribe, the broccoli is already soaking. It's ready. Are you? Let's cook. Start with the ginger. Slice yourself 3 to 4 thin pieces. You won't really taste it, but the whole dish will feel it, in the best way. Smash 1 to 2 cloves of garlic, flat side of the knife, 1 firm press. Then chop it fine. Garlic is low maintenance, it just wants to be crushed and feel useful. Now get some water boiling. Why? Because I'm using frozen broccoli today, and I want that color to pop. First, soak the broccoli in water for 30 to 45 seconds. Drain off the water. Look at that! Pretty, right? The color just comes back to life. Set it aside. Time for the beef. Use any cut you prefer. Flank, sirloin, whatever you've got. But here's the one rule you cannot skip. Slice again the grain. Always. This is the differences between tender and chewy. One direction, that's it. Transfer the beef to a bowl. Add a tiny pinch of sugar, then a pinch of baking soda. This is the cheat code for tender beef. If the smell puts you off, just skip it. No stress. Then black pepper, cornstarch, soy sauce, dark sauce for color, and a splash of water. Mix until everything's evenly coated. Drizzle in a little oil. Mix again until the beef looks glossy and locked in. Set it aside. Let it marinate for 10 minutes. Let it think about what it's done. In another small bowl, add kombucha granules or oyster sauce if that's what you have. Add some sugar, soy sauce, and dark soy. Mix well. That's it. Set it aside. Okay, back to the broccoli. Blanch it in boiling water for 30 seconds. Drain it. Rinse with cold water for 20 seconds. And pat it dry. I'm doing all this because ChatGPT told me it keeps the color green. If you trust this science, great. If not, just rinse it for 30 seconds and skip everything else. No one's grading you. After all that drama, let's get cooking. Add some oil in a pan over medium heat. Add the ginger. Let it sizzle until your kitchen smells incredible. Add the beef. Spread it out flat. Let the bottom get a nice brown. Toss the garlic on top. Don't touch it. Don't move it. Then, stir fry until it's about 70 to 80% cooked. Not all the way, it'll finish in the sauce. Add a splash of Shaoxing wine, it gives the whole thing a little lift. If you can't do alcohol, skip it. No stress. Once the alcohol cooks off, pour in the sauce we mixed earlier. Give it a quick stir. Then, add 50 ml of water. Bring it to a boil. When the sauce starts boiling and thickens up, toss in the broccoli. Add a sprinkle of black pepper. Give it a few quick tosses, just until everything comes together and gets coated. Kill the heat. We are done. Plate it up. Finish with some crushed black pepper on top. And there you have it. Glossy sauce, tender beef, broccoli that actually stays green. Thanks GPT. This is better than takeout and you made it yourself. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe so we can keep cooking together, lazily but deliciously. If you are still hungry, click right here for my beef and onion stir fry. Thanks for watching. Now I'm going back to my couch. See you next week. Bye!